Hi guys, welcome to Only English Literature. Today we'll be seeing that what questions have been asked UGC NET English Literature June 2026 cycle. Let's see. Mostly chronology questions were there and PYQs from UGC NET 2024 to 2025 papers were there. Mostly the questions were asked from 2024 cycle, the questions from June and December paper cycle there. These questions were there, and we have also solved the questions, most of the questions in our panel 2 days back. And also from majority was seen as usual. We could see majority from British literature. We could see from this following writers, poets or dramatists like Arnold, Eliot, Pablo Neruda. Then from dramas questions were asked like maybe from dramas, liturgical plays. What are liturgical plays? Like I had heard that from dramas also the questions were asked. I don't know the exact questions, but from drama were asked. Then Oliver Goldsmith's from Oliver Goldsmith's works questions were there. From John Donne questions were seen. Then John Dryden, D.H. Lawrence's works chronology. Yeah, we have kind of expected from D.H. Lawrence's works that we could get that questions as chronologically. Then Shakespeare's Folio, the questions could be seen. Then King Lear by Shakespeare, the questions were seen. Bacon's works chronology was also there. Samuel Johnson's works were also seen in the paper. William Wordsworth's questions were there. Shelley's questions were there. Coleridge, Yeats, Keats. These are the most important romantic writers. If you haven't covered this, then the question paper must be tough for you. Otherwise, the question paper was quite easy compared to the paper one. Then Pepys Diaries questions were also there. Literary movements like Stream of Consciousness, Bloomsbury Groups, Symbol Poets, these questions were also there. From other literature, we could see that questions from Chinua Achebe were asked. Things Fall Apart, then chronology, some writers' chronology were there, and then Nancy Shodorov's works were also there. Digging by Seamus Heaney. Factual questions like the direct questions were there from synecdoche, epistemology, post-positivism, dirge, ballot. These things could be seen, and also from assertion reason based questions. These are common, like in UGC NET they always have been asked this about direct and match the following questions, chronology questions, and about this assertion reason based questions were seen in UGC NET past papers. Next, from Indian literature, the questions were not that out of the box. The questions were from the known writers only, like from Kandapura, Mulkraj Anand, Raja Rao, Anand Joshi, Swami Vivekananda, Sri Aurobindo, R.K. Narayan, Arun Kolatkar's Jejuri. Questions were asked from Jejuri also, and Tagore's works chronology was there in the paper. So I hope your paper was good and you will clear it this time. Hope for the best, and thank you for watching this video. We'll see you next time.